My name is Janet Northey, and I'm a master's student in the Department of the History of Art and Architecture, and I am graduating in the fall 2014. My position at the library is working for the Beach Conservation Lab. We are repairing these books that patrons have used. So one of my favorite things is to be able to take every single part of that book apart and be able to reassemble it, glue it up really nicely, and take a book that could not be used before and make it available again to recirculate. This position has contributed to my academic goals greatly. It has led me to think about alternative careers in an art history field, which I think is really important. It has given me these specific skills that I might not have gotten elsewhere that can lead to a broad range of preservation and conservation jobs. As a master's student in art history, this job at the Beach Conservation Lab has really re-emphasized the importance of the physical object. Sometimes as a master's student, it is easy to get lost behind the scholarly academic journals and writings about objects, and we lose focus on the object itself. So this job working with these books and repairing them has really emphasized how important it is to go back to the original object. I think a student should consider working in a library because the library provides so many different opportunities.